In this video, I'm not going to be telling you guys about how to drink water and exercise and food. All those things are good, but I'm going to be giving you guys some underground tricks that can literally change your skincare game. So here are my top 10 skincare mistakes that most people make. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Dodos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. You guys are amazing. And if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. I would love to have you part of the gang. So I get loads of questions like, what's your skincare routine? What product are you using? Why is your skin so good? Why is your skin so hydrated? Why do your skin look? So I thought to share some of the skincare mistakes and habits that is probably making your skin act up or act out. I know that everyone wants clear, hydrated, healthy looking skin. Basically take your routine to the next level. There's no point to have all this amazing skincare but don't even know that you're probably still doing some things wrong, right? And one of the things that I really want to talk about today is the fact that with skincare, you have to be patient. You have to take your time. You can't just apply some product and expect that tomorrow everything is gone and your skin is now perfect and all of that. So guys, as you come on this journey, first thing is just embrace your skin. Love it as it is. If it's oily, love it. If it's combination, if it's dry, love it. Because the truth is that we're all different and everyone has different skin. Some people are just more acne prone than others. It's not really about what you're doing sometimes. Sometimes it's just life. And so there's no point for you to feel bad about your skin type when you have no control over it. It is also very important to give your skin time to understand what your skin needs rather than just trying to copy someone's skincare routine off the internet. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is your skincare hygiene. One of the most, I don't want to say deadly practices that can actually lead to acne or breakout is your pillowcase. So you want to make sure that you're changing your pillowcase as often as possible. I change my pillowcases twice a week, and I've also moved away from cotton pillowcases into silk pillowcases. One of the reasons why I like silk pillowcases is that it just gives a very cool feeling on your skin. In general, silk pillowcases are just softer on the skin. I notice that for me, most times when I wake up, when I use cotton pillowcases, I have those lines and marks on my face, and it's just not great for me. So you want to make sure that your 8 hours of your skin being on a pillowcase, you're using a pillowcase that just works well with your skin. The second on the list under hygiene is cleaning your brushes. Let me tell you guys that a lot of people use dirty brushes. So important to clean your brushes. If you continue using dirty brushes, of course your skin will react. And I know most people think, oh well, it's my foundation, it's my product, it's not really dirty, it's just foundation. But imagine using a brush that has foundation that stayed on it over time or over a week. Imagine going through an amazing skincare routine, then you go in with a dirty brush or a beauty blender you've been using or a beauty sponge you've been using for 1 week. I know that some people actually don't wash their beauty blenders after every use. If you don't want your skin to literally go mad on you, you want to make sure that your brushes, your tools for makeup, extremely clean, sanitized. If you're too lazy and you don't want to wash your brush every time you use it, then you can just literally spray alcohol on it, rub it on a paper towel and air dry it. And then for your beauty blenders, guys, there's no way out. You have to wash your beauty blenders after every use that most people make. Number one is over cleansing your skin. Loads of cleansers are not smart enough to identify that they're not meant to remove everything from your skin. They can't really identify what to keep and what to take away. So a cleanser is meant to take away all the, dirt and impurities from your skin, but also when the cleanser is too harsh, then it can over cleanse your skin in a way that it strips your skin off of the natural hydration and natural oils. So it's very important that you're not, number one, over cleansing your skin aggressively, washing it for too long. Over cleansing can also cause inflamed skin, and literally your skin literally just starts to react and starts to break out. That's why you notice sometimes that when you're done cleansing your face looks too squeaky clean and tight. It literally looks so dry. So you want to make sure that you're using cleansers that don't have alcohol in it, especially if you have dry skin. You're using an in-between cleanser, milky enough, but also it foams but not too foamy. So second is physically abusing your skin. Most people do things going in to pick the skin, using cotton pads. I would say that for me, I've definitely stopped using cotton pads. I just literally put my toner in my palm, and then I use my fingers to gently press and massage that into the face, because I realized that most cotton pads, especially the cotton pads that are not smooth, the ones that have like boxes or texture, in your mind you think that, oh yes, I'm really going in to take away the dirt from my face. If you've already gone through properly cleansing your skin, then you have no business trying to still take away dirt from your skin at the stage of toning. Next is stop using your body towels on your face. You cannot be using the same towel used on your body, and I know that most people use like the body towel for like a week, right? Or maybe 4 days in a week before they change it. So you don't want to use that same towel you've used to towel dry your body and then use it to clean your face. Why did you even cleanse your face in the first place if you're still going to use that towel that's accumulated dust and dirt back on your face? So what I like to do is air dry my face. Once I come out of the shower, I go into like my body care first before I come to my face, skincare on my face. If I'm in a rush, then I use like a clean paper towel just to like pat out, the water or whatever on my face to give me like, to dry up my face. So if you're ready to do that work of using fresh face towel or fresh face cloth every day, you can do that. So the next is you need to take time to identify the different areas of your face and the different textures on those parts of your face. So if you have combination skin, for instance, what part of your skin would you typically, have produce more oils? It will most likely be on your T-zone. So you want to make sure that you are kind of like treating those areas different from the other parts of your face. For instance, with me, when I'm using like a mask, I have very dry skin. I don't use clay mask on my face. So I would suggest that if you have oily skin or combination skin, then you can use a clay mask on the parts of your face that you produce more oils, and on the other parts of your face you can use like a purifying mask or a hydrating mask. So you're literally taking your time to understand the different parts of your face, the different layers of your skin on those parts of your face. For instance, under your eyes, you should be using eye creams, and you shouldn't be using like every other cream under your eyes unless you're using eye cream. The layering of products. Most people don't understand the basics of how to layer skincare. In layering products, the first thing you want to do is start with the products with lightest consistency all the way to the top with products that have thicker consistency. So you want to start from cleansing to toning to a serum, maybe like hyaluronic acid serum. You basically want to see the different textures of the products you're using, and the ones that are lighter go first before the heavier ones, before you move into your oils and your creams, and then you lock with your sunscreen. Next is not moisturizing oily skin. My oily skin girls, just get in here, because I meet a lot of people with oily skin and they feel like, oh no, I don't use moisturizer, oh no, I have oily skin, I don't moisturize. And most times oily skin or acne prone skin is as a result of dehydration. Literally everyone should hydrate their skin. If your skin is hydrated enough, it will serve as a really good cushion for the rest of your skincare to sit on. But when your skin is dehydrated, then your skin reads, oh wow, dehydration is happening, then I need to like produce more oils or produce more sebum, which eventually leads to breakouts. So you're doing yourself a huge disservice by not moisturizing your skin if you have oily skin. I would suggest that you use like a lightweight gel moisturizer if you have oily skin. Next is using too many acne prone products at the same time or too many acids at the same time. Most people feel like, oh, I want to combine all my active acids together. That is a recipe for disaster, guys. Trust me, you should spread it out, So for instance, if you have acne, instead of using acne prone face wash, acne prone toner, acne prone, like you can literally spread out these things, and let's say like 3 days in a week you can use salicylic acids, or 2 days in a week, and then you can move into your retinol on specific days. So you're literally you're giving your skin a break from being so extremely harsh with your skin. Especially with acne prone skin, you want to make sure that you're using these acne treatments for the specific areas that have the problems. If it's not broken, don't fix it. You can just spot treat the particular parts that you have, either inflammation or acne, or rather than using that product all over your face, the other parts that don't even have these problems or these skincare issues. Just have a basic, simple routine: hydration, moisturizing, and then you can then add 1 acid or 2 acids just to balance it out, right? So instead of having everything acne prone, just have your basic products for maybe like a wash, toning, and then you can then throw in your salicylic acid or your glycolic acid, just one product. Not that everything has all these acids working together. It will literally work against you. The next mistake that I know that most people make is using more than your skin actually needs. First of all, why are you using 10 products at once? I know that this sounds like me because I kind of do it sometimes where it's like I'm using so many products at the same time and my skin probably doesn't even need it at that time. And I'm one of those people. I like to use a lot of products. Like I just really love skincare. But using too many products, literally you're wasting your time, because most times from the third layer your skin doesn't absorb it anymore, so it's literally just hanging on your skin. You can also control the amount of products you use on your face by creating marks and pointing out, maybe using your fingertips. Most times I'll typically apply products on my forehead, my cheek, my chin, and then any excess I just massage into my skin, and then if I feel like it's not enough, then I go in with a little bit more and do the same step. So guys, that is all for my 10 skincare mistakes or 10 skincare tips that can literally take your skincare game to the next level. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you enjoyed this style, please don't forget to thumbs up and let me know what you basically learned from this video in the comment section. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to see you guys soon. Bye.